Chainlink holder, watch this video and be safe from loss. What's the prediction in upcoming times? Can Chainlink is moving upward or not? Can there is a chance to they wake up again now or not? Absolutely, I tell you completely. And what's my opinion to sell, hold, or buy? Everything I discuss you kindly. You never miss any second of this video and try to understand. You can see before I start the video, I request you to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much for subscribing our YouTube channel. The last 1 hour chart is on the screen. Last 1 hour chart is on the screen, and you can see here they completely take a very good jump. So it's mean, remember this jump, my friends, to in the last 1 hour in the current time, my friends, they moving upward plus 3.81%. They moving upward. So definitely it's mean to the profit. They are in the profit. The price will increase very fastly. So this is good, my friends. Good news for all of you. Congratulations to they are starting moving upward. Let's check out the last 24-hour chart, my friend, and after that, my friend, we predict this to upcoming time. There is a chance to they move upward or not. So if you can see the last 24-hour, first of all, you can see this down the change occur minus 35.07%. They fails down. It's a very big fail, my friend. You can see here. And after that, if you can see here, they completely fails down like that. But after this fails, they take a gain jump. You can see here they take a short jump, short fails. You can see here, but they completely end this circulation like a snake. They're moving like a snake. They're moving. So after a fails, they take a jump. You can see here, and after this jump, you can see here they fails down. You can see here they completely move in this circulation. So it's mean to the current time. If you can see here they moving upward. Absolutely, if you remember to the current time, you can see here this graph is going to be completely right, my brother. You can see here at the current time they completely moving upward. So it's mean to upcoming time there is a more chances to them moving upward, and the price will be 14 USD dollar, but the price come to 25 USD dollar, 40 USD dollar to 25 just only in the last 24 hours. So I think they 15 USD dollar loss, my brother. Very big fares, very big fares. But let's see, my friends. I hope just only in the one day they also give you again 40 USD dollar. So you need to hold it. Thanks for watching Chainlink holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and yes, press the bell icon for videos notification.